Hi guys, welcome to Learn with Daldaroc. In today's episode, I will be showing you how to create an acrylic bookmark. Let's get started. First things first, you're going to click on your text. So I already know what I am going to put in the text box. So I'm just going to copy and paste. And that's my first scripture. It says Psalm 46 verses 10. It says, "Be still and know that I am God." And I'm just going to also copy and paste my other scripture because I would like to print it on the same mat. So I'm going to click text and I'm going to copy and paste. Now I've already measured my acrylic bookmark, and I just want to change the dimension. So I'm going to go to size. I'm going to click unlock. My width was 3 centimeters, so I'll just make that 3. Sorry, my width was 11 centimeters. Let me just measure this again just to make sure. So my width is 11 centimeters and my height is 3 centimeters. Might have to just change the width because perfect. Okay, so it's allowing me to print it like that, and I'm going to change this as well to 11. Just going to click unlock first, change this to 11, and I'll change my height to 3. So you can see it's doing a basic cut and a basic cut. I'm just going to attach and attach. Okay, I'm going to click on make. Just also save your project, because if you need to change anything in the long run or come back if you're printed and get printed properly, you're going to have to start all over again if you don't save. So let's save. So I'm just going to save it as bookmark. And this project is fairly quick, as you can see. Just going to click save. Okay, so I'm going to use a mat. I'm going to click on the mat and I'm going to click confirm. And here it's telling me that I need to put vinyl in the specific area. So I just want to separate this a bit because I'm going to use 2 different colors. Okay, I'm going to click continue. And now I'll be selecting the type of material I'm going to be using. So I'm just using permanent vinyl, but it's not a Cricut brand. I just want to see if it gives me another option. Let's just type vinyl. I'm just going to select vinyl because I have no idea what type of vinyl I'm using. And now it's saying I need to load my mat, so I'll be switching over to my phone. I will be using this blanks that I bought. You can use your own blanks. You just have to change the dimensions. You can follow the same process. Just change the dimensions when you are printing your vinyl. The next step is to cut your vinyl to size, as well as place your vinyl on the mat. You can now load your mat in your Cricut machine and Cricut will do the cutting. While you wait for your Cricut Maker to cut your vinyl, you can clean your acrylic bookmarks with rubbing alcohol, as this will ensure that your vinyl stays longer on the bookmark. Your next step is to weed your vinyl off the backing paper. Now, this is my first time using a non-Cricut brand vinyl, and I actually made a mistake with the black vinyl. I had no idea that it actually had a transfer tape. So the Cricut machine actually cut the transfer tape and it didn't cut the vinyl. So it's important to check your vinyl before putting it into the machine. In this case, I went back to fix it. I just needed to put the vinyl upside down in order for the Cricut Maker to cut the vinyl. It is very important that you remove all your letters from the backing paper with the transfer paper in order to stick this on your acrylic blank. Thank you so much for watching this video. I need some help. Can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? This will really help me. Thank you so much.